Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can shear an image or photo in Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright, so let me navigate to this example design here with that example image. What you want to do, guys, is left click into it and then select pixel at the top, hover your mouse over filters. Next, from that menu here, navigate to distort, and from that menu navigate to shear. Right here. And then you may use these handles, that vertical and horizontal handle, to adjust the image shearing. Move it to the left, to the right with your left mouse. You can also use the lower handle and do the same for the horizontal one, like this. And yeah, to apply these changes, click into apply here, and as you can see now, the image dimensions have been sheared like this. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.